Good day, class. Today we're going to be working on asking questions about clothes that we want to buy. First, does anyone have any ideas of what we can ask about? Yes, very good. We can ask about how the clothes look. Does anyone have any questions about how clothes look? No? What about a statement on how clothes look? Think about the clothes you're wearing right now and say something about them. Okay? Does everyone have some ideas? Okay, great. Does anyone want to go first? Awesome. That's a great statement. I am wearing a red floral dress. Now, how could we make that statement into a question? That's right. We could use do you have? So, what would we say to make I am wearing a red floral dress into a do you have question? Yes, very good. Do you have a red floral dress? We could also say, do you have any red floral dresses? We're going to ask other questions about a clothes, and they are, when did you buy it? Where did you buy it? Why did you buy it? What color is it? Was it expensive? Was it cheap? How much did it cost? What size is it? How did you pay for it? We are asking these questions to know more about the clothes. These questions are for after clothes have been purchased. How could we change them so we can use them while shopping for clothes? We will work on changing the first question. How can we change when did you buy it? So we can use it while shopping for clothes. Let's make it into a statement and work from there. What is a statement that could respond to when did you buy it? Yes, very good. I bought it yesterday. Now that we have our statement, let's try using should to make it into a question again. Let's use should in our statement. It begins as I should. How can we use bought it yesterday in our sentence now? I should bought it yesterday is very close. In this sentence, the word should needs the word have after it, since it's past tense. So the sentence becomes, I should have bought it yesterday. Let's turn this should statement into a should question. How do you think the question starts? Should I? Yes, very good. Let's try the question, should I have bought it yesterday? Can we use this while shopping for clothes? Maybe. This question could be used in a situation where the store you are shopping at had a sale or a special discount that could have made the clothes cheaper. We could also change the question by removing yesterday. Let's make the question about the present and future. Does everyone have some ideas about this question? Yes? What are they? Should I buy clothes today? Great job! Yes, you remember to change bought to buy. Very good. Since this question is about the present, does anyone have a question that is asking about the future? Yes? Okay. Should I buy clothes tomorrow? That's a great question. This will work with other future days as well. Does anyone have more examples? Yes. Should I buy clothes on Sunday? Should I buy clothes next week? Should I buy clothes 3 days from now? These are all very good questions. We're going to be using a website that has questions about clothing on it. I've already sent everyone the website. I'm going to play each question that we'll be covering for you. I want you to create some answers and questions like we did earlier. Now we're going to listen to each of the questions. Then you will respond to each question. Okay? Great. Listen carefully to each question.
What is your favorite item of clothing? When did you buy it? Where did you buy it? What color is it? Was it expensive? Why do you like it?
Okay, now that we've heard all the questions, I'm going to give you a few moments to think about some answers for these questions. Feel free to listen to the questions as many times as you need. I do not want you to tell me the responses already on the website. I want you to come up with different responses. Think of it as if your friend is asking about your clothes. Okay? Great. Has everyone thought of some answers to these questions? Awesome. Now we'll focus on the first question. What is your favorite item of clothing? Does anyone have any thoughts on how to respond to this question? Yes? What are some things you can say about your favorite item of clothing? My favorite piece of clothing are my dancing shoes. Very good. I have a lucky pair of socks that are my favorite. These are very good answers.